to have a new day, new possibilities. I have a big dent in the bumper in the front of the car. Under the fog light, someone is using a heat gun to heat up their plastic and push it out. If you have a chance for push it from behind, that could work perfectly if you are very careful. But a heat gun can very fast burn your paint and your plastic. So it's nothing I would like to say that you should do. It's much better to just use a steamer, because steamer is making very hot steam, but it's not burning the paint like a heat gun would do, because of the water damp is cooling down fast too. So the chance of not ruining your paint and ruining other things, it's much smaller chance of ruining with a steamer. So now I'm going to try to push down the steamer and heat up the plastic bumper and see what's happening. It's supposed to be a line here. The line is here, going in here and over here. So I'm trying to heat this and push it from behind. Try to push it out from behind. And I have a steamer that I used before to push out on the Camry. So now I'm going to use steam to try to see what's happening. That's very simple to say that. That was kind of difficult. The temperature is too low in the weather, and my heat gun is very difficult to get up there without burning something. So at least you see it's possible, but the whole bumper should have been off and heated up and fixed. But there's no point changing the bumper. In the worst case, you heat it up, take it out there, and you have to use sandpaper, fix it and paint it again. In this car maybe that is going to happen a lot of places, so it's not that scary. But the steamer was not helping at all. It's too cold, it's 7 degrees plus, and I couldn't heat it up enough. That heat gun was very difficult to use, burned very fast and start to melt things, so it was difficult to do it out under the car. But at least I'm trying, so at least it looks better than it was. But maybe I have to sand it down later, or I have to take it off. When everything else is finished, I look at it, see if I have to take it off and sand it and paint it and heat it up, of course, and get it out more and sand it and paint it. Okay, thank you. I hope you learn from my mistakes and all the stupid things I do. So it's always something to learn. I hope that some of you guys like the videos I make, and subscribing and giving my ideas and all kinds of things, so we can help each other to make our lives easier to live without get ruined using a lot of money on all kinds of things. So thank you. Please put a like and please subscribe. Thank you.